Hello students, good morning. In the last video, we have discussed about the acid and bases. Today we will start from the strength of acid or base solution. Strength of acid or base solution. Water is slightly ionized. It gives H plus ion and OH minus ion. In case of pure water, the number of H plus ion and OH minus ion are equal. Hence, it is neutral. See this figure. This is a beaker containing water. Water is slightly ionized and gives H plus ion and OH minus ion. Already it contains H plus ion and OH minus ion. If we add acid to it, acids release H plus ion in aqueous solution or in water. Hence, the number of H plus ion increases in this solution and more H plus ion is present as compared to the OH minus ion. This solution is called acidic solution. This type of solution is called acidic solution. It means we conclude that in the acidic solution, the number of H plus ion is more as compared to the OH minus ion. Now we will take basic solution. In case of basic solution, when we add a base to water, the number of OH minus ion increases in this solution because water already contains H plus ion and OH minus ion. When we add bases release OH minus ion in the aqueous solution or in the water. Therefore, the number of OH minus ion increases on adding base, so that the number of OH minus ion is more as compared to the H plus ion in the basic solution. But we concluded from this, the number of H plus ion present in both the solution, either in the acidic solution or in the basic solution. In acidic solution, H plus ion is more, and in basic solution, H plus ion is present but in the lesser number. On the basis of H plus ion present in the solution, we can compare the strength of an acid or a base. For this, a scientist S. Sorensen in 1909 made a scale. This scale is called pH scale. It is used to measure the relative strength of an acid or a base. Students, we can measure the relative strength of an acid or a base with the help of a scale. That scale is called pH scale. This scale was made by S. Sorensen in 1909. This scale runs on 0 to 14. In the mid of this scale, 7 number is present. If the pH value of a given solution is 7, it indicates solution will be neutral. If the pH value of a given solution is less than 7, either 6, 5, 4, 2, 1, the solution will be acidic. If the pH value of a given solution is 0, 1, 2, 3, the solution will be highly acidic or strong acid. If the pH value of a given solution is 4, 5, 6, the solution will be weak acid. And if the pH value of a given solution is 8, 9 and 10, it is a weak base. If the pH value is 11, 12, 13 and 14, the given solution will be strong base. pH value means pH, P stand for the word power and H denoted its H plus ion concentration. As we know, the acid and bases both contains H plus ions in the aqueous solution or in the water. Hence, we can measure the pH value of a given solution with the help of H plus ion concentration. pH is equals to minus log H plus ion concentration, or POH is equals to minus log OH minus ion concentration. But mostly we will use the pH value on the basis of H plus ion concentration. If the H plus ion concentration of a solution is more, its pH value will be less. And if the pH is less from 7, it is an acidic solution. If the H plus ion concentration of a given solution is less, its pH will be more. If its pH will be more, the given solution will be basic in nature. See here, as we move from 7 to 0, acidic character of an acid increases. It means if the pH value is 1, it is highly acidic. If its pH value is 6, it is weak acid. As we move onward 7 to 14, the pH value increases. As the pH value increases, the basic character of a given solution increases. If the pH value of a given solution is 13, it is strong base. If the pH value is 9, it is weak base.
Students, see this figure. This is an universal indicator. This universal indicator is used to predict the relative strength of a given acid or a base. Universal indicator is a mixture of several indicators or dyes. It shows different colors at different pH values. For example, if the pH value of a given solution is 1, it gives red color. When we pour this universal indicator either in a acidic solution or a basic solution, it gives the different color as shown in this indicator. If the pH value of a given solution is 5, it gives yellow color. If the pH value 7, it gives green color. If its pH value of a given solution is 13, it indicates violet color. It means the given solution is basic in nature. Hence, from this indicator, we can predict the different color of a solution depending upon its pH values.
For example, in this table, the pH value of concentrated HCl is given 0. pH value of lemon juice is 2.2 to 2.4. Vinegar has pH value 3. Acid rain, its pH value will be 5.6. The pH value of milk is 6.5. pH value of human saliva is in between 6.5 to 7.5, and the pH value of water is 7.0. Do you know the pH value of human blood? It is 7.3 to 7.4. pH value of baking soda solution is 8.4. Concentrated NaOH solution has pH value 14. Milk of magnesia, which we used as an antacid, its pH value is 10.5. And washing soda has pH value 9.0. On the basis of this table, we can say that different acids or bases have its different pH values. So it gives the different colors on a universal indicator. In the next video, we will discuss the importance of pH value in our day-to-day life. Thank you.